What are the names of the greens again?
Jambu. Jambu.
Jambu. That's the jambu.
Yeah, you can eat the flower, and also you can eat the leaf.
And this makes the tingle, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is in the soup, the
Takaka.
takaka. That's your favorite.
Yes.
Just one.
Yeah, just a piece.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's good too.
Yeah, this one.
So we're gonna.
The indigenous, they use it in the teeth for the pain.
Pain.
So this is kind of like a natural anesthesia, natural
Medicine.
natural medicine. It will make your mouth completely numb.
Yeah.
Not coca.
They have cachaça, sugar, brand sugar cane, that they use the jambu.
The jambu.
Jambu.
The jambu.
I'm gonna bring you to try the cachaça. Inside.
Give it a couple minutes, and it's going to be very tingling and numb.
In 5 minutes, it's stop.
Yeah.
You feel your phone again.
Tell me again, what's it called?
Jambu.